Remember, not a bolt. Okay, a set screw. Now, you know when you've got one of these, very critical quality about this, take for example this, right, shelving bracket, okay, it's through there, okay, just work with me. With one of these, side is called the static end, and that side is called the dynamic end. Why? Simple. When you put a washer over that, like that, right, okay, always pays to have a washer on the hex head end. Okay, and then best to have a split washer. Some people call it a spring washer. You see that little split there? Your dad might know a little bit about that, or even your mum too, depending on who's mechanic. But yeah, spring, split, same thing. And that goes onto there, like that. Now that combination there, that's your dynamic end. Why is it called dynamic? Simple, because the activity, the pressure of tightening this up to the correct level is coming from that end, not that end. That is static. That is just sitting still going. Okay, so that is where action is happening. It's all happening down that end. Okay, so when you put that onto there, that's taking up the pressure and that's applying the pressure. And that whole thing there, like I said before, is a set screw, not a bolt.